My name is Dirck Schou. I am the co-founder and CEO of Taqtile. The deskless worker industry is 80% of the world's workforce, yet gets 1% of VC funding. So it is an incredibly underfunded sector of technology. The fundamental thing that we are trying to accomplish is enablement. We are trying to enable employees, enable processes, enable enterprises. Manifest, which is the name of our platform, will enable you to tie into a step-by-step set of processes, will tell you exactly how to do it, will allow you to connect to someone remotely if you run into a problem, and then you're done. And maybe you only have to do this job once a year. So why do you want to get trained for that? You don't. You want to do it.
Taqtile to me is one of those great opportunities where people are thinking about augmented reality. But what Dirck and team have been able to go do is to bring a real world problem that not a lot of people in technology were focused on solving and bring the latest in technology to creating real world solutions. What they're finding is that the market opportunity is much broader than they originally thought because there's field workers in every industry that need their solution.
Dirck is just such a fantastic guy. I love what his product does. I think being able to have someone train on a piece of machinery in front of them, with the trainer being somewhere on the other side of the country, it's just such a perfect use of where VR can take us.
I just cannot overstate how valuable and important going through the lab was to our success. We jumped in with both feet, and we have got engagements with T-Mobile, with Intel, with Amdocs, with Dell, and Jim and team. They have pulled together an ecosystem of providers that are leading the way and providing building blocks for companies like us to reimagine the future for these underserved workers and industries. What the 5G Open Innovation Lab has done is extremely valuable, and I think it's a new way of looking at things. I'm a huge fan. I'm just honored to be a part of it.